Do you know what the single biggest thing is that separates the winners from the losers online? I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Midyear Madness. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I'm known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you're new to the channel, and if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because, yeah, I make really stale dad jokes. They're boring. I get it. It's okay. You know, that's who I am. I am a dad to two cats and no children, unfortunately, but maybe someday. But anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I? Just a thing you might ask. Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, seriously, nobody wants the crap. I don't think you want it either. That guy has been annoying me lately. You know, he used to be Bart, and then Newman from Seinfeld got into the act, and this guy, you know, you don't want the crap either. Nobody does. I don't think you love the crap. Nobody does. But anyway, but seriously, if you're new, it's a waste of work. If I like the product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she's a sweetheart. She says the same thing every time, but who can get angry at her when she's so sweet about it? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Midyear Madness. Now, this is a brand new product from my friend Dawood Islam. Now, Dawood is one of the biggest names in the industry. And the way he's been able to do this is just insane. The kind of numbers that he's able to put up. You can see here $20,000. Now, to be fair, a chunk of that is vendor sales. But the good news is that that means that his stuff sells. And that's really important here because this is what's going to separate you from those who are not making it online, basically. You need to have your own products that you can sell. Now, of course, if you're somebody like me and you've already built a lot of products, that's great. But if you haven't built a lot of products that you can sell, then you need to get somebody else's products to sell. Now, the issue is, of course, that when you sell somebody else's products, you have maybe 50% commission and, you know, you have one or two products, but that's it. What if you had an entire suite of products? I'm talking 26 different products, actually, that you actually have the right to sell, and you keep every single penny from all the sales. Literally, you sell $1,000 worth of stuff, you keep $1,000. That's it. It's all your money. He gets nothing, you get everything. That's basically what this is here, is that he's basically taken all of his products 2021 plus his products until now from 2022, and he's saying you can use these things for yourself, plus on top of that, you can sell them, keep 100% of the commissions. That's basically what it is. It's truly one of the most insane deals I have ever seen, and really, really just absolutely incredible. Okay, actually 32 products. So that's even better. I thought it was 26, but anyhow. But this is the members area. Before we take a look at this, though, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because I do have one of my best custom bonuses ever for this particular launch. So basically, what I'm going to give you is like this. I have a set of courses that I'm going to give away to you. So you're going to get my course on using LinkedIn in order to build more traffic. This is great, by the way, especially with Midyear Madness, because there's a lot of people who are on LinkedIn who aren't hearing about this kind of thing. So you can get a lot of people there. Okay, I'm going to give you my course on paid traffic. I'm going to give you a course on geo-targeting, which basically means that you can target specific people from specific countries. This is great for the people who English may not be the native language. You can actually review these things in your native language and target people in your own country, which I couldn't possibly do because English is my native language. I'm going to give you the course on Facebook Messenger marketing, the course on LinkedIn, the course on ninja blogging. This is one of the best around. A course on Pinterest, my course Tube Dominator Platinum. This was a $497 product that I sold, and you're going to get completely for free. You're going to get 24-hour traffic machine. You're going to get social signals marketing. You're going to get building a blog network. You get native ads for everyone. You're going to get instant 2-cent traffic. Plus, you're going to get my software social viral.club, which is going to allow you to have access to all kinds of social media accounts. And this is all for $9.95. Truly a crazy, crazy bargain. But I am not done yet, of course. If you pick up any upgrade to this package, I'm also going to give you PLR to 9 of my own courses. Now, these are not just, something that was made to be a bonus. These were actually courses that I created, that I sold. I've made a lot of money off of them. You get PLR rights. You can sell them, give them away, use them as your own bonus. You pick up any upgrade valued at least $20, because some of the upgrades that Dawood has are like a $2 upgrade, and we can't do offer with that because we get 50% commissions, and when we make $1, it's just we can't do that. But pick up any upgrade worth at least $20, or any combination of upgrades worth at least $20. You're going to be able to get 9 of my own courses that you're going to be able to give away, use as a bonus, sell it, whatever you want. So let me show you basically what's in here. You're going to click here to grab your reseller rights. You can see this is everything that's included here. Okay. I think there's more here actually. Because there's actually like a whole bunch of additional ones. Okay, maybe some of the bonuses. There's more of them here, and more here, more still over here. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff here that you're going to get access to in order to really build up your business. So yeah, reseller rights to 32 best-selling products, includes 12 that were never offered before. I think one of these actually is going to be the package that gives you all the previous ones. I think that's how it works. Yeah, reseller rights is going to give you all the other ones that were from 2020. So basically, reseller riot, exactly. It says right here, we're going to get the other 20 from reseller riot. So that's basically what it's going to be. They're going to get the other 20 of them from reseller riot. So you're going to get all 32 products included for you with this. And again, you get my entire bonus, and it's going to cost you exactly $9.95 for this. There is no discount available, so don't bother trying to exit or look for a coupon code that doesn't exist. You can see all the list of all the products you're going to get as well that are included with this package. And you get to use these, but you also get to sell them as your own, which is really, really cool, which you can just like keep all the money basically. So really an incredible, incredible package. Okay, obviously I'm recording this before the launch actually happens. This will say $9.95 when you actually see this video, and you're going to get everything included for your $9.95. Again, pick up any upgrades, any single upgrade or any combination of upgrades worth at least $20. I'm going to give you 9 of my own courses that you can sell as your own with full PLR rights. That's going to be included as my additional bonus on top of all the other bonuses that we already told you about, which you can see below this video. If you're watching on YouTube, just click the link. If you're on my website, you should see below this video the entire list of all the different courses that are going to be included with this product. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip match to product creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Yeah, seriously, use my hat. The guy in the bowler hat behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be giving a tip of his hat too, because this is massive. You're going to get 32 products that you are able to use as your own, sell them, and just keep all the money for yourself. That is absolutely incredible. It is one of the best packages out there. Really and truthfully, this is one you want to grab. You're going to love this.